Hey guys, welcome to my HTML and CSS tutorial series. In this tutorial series we're going to look at how to create a website using HTML5 and CSS3. So before we get started, let me go ahead and answer the question that most of you might be wondering now, which is what is HTML5 and CSS3? So HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language, and the 5 simply means the version of HTML, which is the latest version of HTML. So HTML is the language that web browsers understand and interpret when we display our website. So HTML being a markup language means that we take all the regular text you actually see on your website or on your web page, and we surround them in these special things called tags. I will actually explain what tags are in a future video, but for now let's just know that if you can read and write in English, or let's say in any other language for that matter, then you can actually read and write HTML, because it's actually that simple. Okay, so next, what is CSS3, which stands for Cascading Style Sheet? And also 3 here simply means the latest version of CSS, so the version of CSS, and CSS3 is the latest version of CSS. So the name kind of gives away what this does, because it is a style sheet, as you can see, and what that means is that CSS is used to style our website. So let's say you want to make the text on your website appear in green color or blue or any other color that you might actually want. Okay, so you actually do that using CSS. And let's say even if you wanted to put a background image on your website, so that will also be controlled by CSS. Okay, so now that you know what HTML5 and CSS3 is, let's actually take a look at what you're gonna need to follow along with this tutorial series. So first thing you're gonna need is a good browser. So Google Chrome, Firefox, and Safari are probably the best out there, and I advise that you actually use one of them, but please do not make use of Internet Explorer or Internet Edge, because they kind of they are not very reliable. They have a long record of not being so reliable. So but for this tutorial series I'm going to be making use of Google Chrome. So if you want to make use of that too, it's fine. If you don't, you can either make use of Firefox or Safari or any other good one out there. So the next thing you're going to need is a good text editor. So as for me, I'm going to be making use of Sublime Text, and Sublime Text is a very good text editor. As you can see here, this is Sublime Text, and this is how the user interface looks like. So if you don't already have Sublime Text on your PC, I'm going to drop a link in the description of this video, where it will link you to another video of mine where I show you how to download and install Sublime Text on your computer. So guys, I don't want you guys to go ahead and use a simple text editor like Notepad, a text editor that comes with your Windows computer, because they're gonna make it very difficult for you if you're a new programmer. They're gonna make it very difficult for you to actually learn easily and learn quickly, because they don't have syntax. Let's take a look at Sublime Text here. As you can see, if I type something like this, it is a valid HTML code. It's going to add color to it, and this is what you call syntax. It adds color to it. So if you're having an error, you can actually go there and figure out, okay, I'm having an error here, and you correct that and to align with colors. So make sure you get a good text editor, and you can actually grab Atom or Notepad, because they're also very good text editors. But as for me, I'm going to be making use of Sublime Text for this tutorial series, so you can actually go to the description of this video and grab Sublime Text. Okay, so finally, the last thing you're going to need to follow along with this series is going to be kind of like an Apache software. So I have outlined Xampp for this, because I have a video on how to download and install Xampp on your computer, and I'm gonna put a link in the description of this video to help you guys know how to download that. So go ahead and download and install Xampp on your computer, because It's a program that will turn your computer into a server, so we can actually simulate a server environment. And know that it's not actually gonna make your website go live or something like that. So just gonna simulate a server environment so that when you upload your website, or in this tutorial series, when you upload your website to the server, it's actually gonna look the same way it's gonna look on a live server. You get that, right? So go ahead and download that. So guys, before the next tutorial, you're expected to have on your computer a good browser, either one of these three, Chrome, Firefox, or Safari, and also a good text editor, either Sublime Text, Atom, Notepad, or any other good one out there, you know. And finally, also you're gonna need an Apache software, and I said I recommend Xampp for this tutorial series, but if you know any other Apache software like Xampp or so, you can go ahead and download that. But I actually recommend, if you don't know anything, just go ahead and download Xampp. So guys, look forward to the next video where we're gonna actually start coding something. Thanks for staying to the end of this video. That really means a lot to me. So please, if you haven't already, give this video a thumbs up if it was helpful to you. Subscribe to my channel and watch another one of my videos, and I'll see you next time.